Hi everyone, I am so glad to have you tuned in for this video. Thank you so much. My name is Nambozo Lilian. I am a student at Autofill University and I am your instructor through computer skills and basics. Today we are still looking at Microsoft Excel, and today I'm going to be teaching us how to autofill in Microsoft Excel and how to get position. Basically we shall be using the rank function. Yeah, that is what I'm going to teach us today. So one thing I want us to keep in mind is that I am doing this is like a mark sheet that I'm going to use as my sample. It's a mark sheet and I'm doing this as a class teacher of a certain class. I'll call it primary 4. So I am the class teacher of primary 4 and this is my mark sheet for my students. I'll be showing you how to do these different things. It is so easy and interesting. So to begin, these are my columns. This is student number, this is the name of the student, these are the different subjects with the marks. This is total, we shall be using the formula here, and this is total, we shall be using the function. Average, we shall be using the formula. Average using the function, and then lastly position. Yes, now we are going to start. How do we get the total using the formula? You come right here, okay, come there, you say equals open brackets. Since it's total, we shall be adding the total of the different subjects for each student. So that is C2 plus this plus this plus, just a second, yes, plus this, and then don't forget to close the bracket. Yeah, then you press enter. It will give you the total, and then you don't have to struggle to fill in all the others. You just have to autofill and it will make your work easier. To autofill, you'll bring your cursor to this bottom corner here on the right, and then you see how the arrow turns to be. When you get the arrow in that position, you now drag downwards and it will do it automatically. You see that? Then for the function, we shall say equals. Now here we are going to be using the function of sum. It is the sum of open brackets. We shall be getting the sum from this cell up to this cell, so I'm going to highlight the cells just like that, and then you close the brackets and press enter. It will give you the total, and you're seeing is the same total with the one of the formula, right? Then still you autofill. Yes. I think it has a problem. Do it again. Just have to autofill like that. Yes, and it will give you. Then to get the formula using the average, still you'll come and say equals open brackets. Yeah, we know that average is just total out of the number, right? So I'll just get my total here and then divide it by 4 because there are 4 subjects. Close bracket and press enter. It will give me the average. Then I'll have to autofill. Very simple. Then for the function, it will be equals. We'll use the function of average. Wait, hold on. Equals average open bracket, the average of these cells, and then close the bracket, press enter, and it will give you the average. As you can see, it's the same. Then you autofill. just like that. Very simple. Now the next thing we are going to go to is how to get the position. And to get the position, we are going to use the function of rank. Yeah, so how do we use it? You press equal signs and say rank. Yes, then you open your brackets, and now we are going to be getting the position basing on the average. Okay, because it's much accurate when you use the average. Yes, now basing on the average, my average is column J. Yes, it's column J. Yes, it's column J, and I'll use this as my reference, which is J2. Yeah, I'll set J2, but then I have to set the position like from the top to the bottom, because I have 8 students. Yeah, so I have to select, I'm getting their position, like the total of all the students from top to bottom. Okay, so I'll have to highlight everything from this to this. Okay, and then you close the bracket. Now, one special thing about the position, you always have to fix the cells. Fixing the cells means that you're getting the position of each student but in that class. And how do we fix this? By putting a $ before the J and after the J, and also before the J and after the J, as we are going to see. Let me show you on that. I'll just insert a $. Sorry, just here, insert a $. Even after the J here, insert a $. Then before this J also, it's like you're fixing the positions to that class. Yes, and also here $. Then you press enter. It will give you the positions, as you can see. Then you just have to autofill. You don't have to struggle too much. Yes, and you'll be having your positions right there. Yeah, so that is what I basically had for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.